Good day, friends. Welcome to Chuang Math class. Today I want to teach on addition and subtraction of integers. I believe from the previous videos you learn addition and subtraction, and from the video type of number you know what an integer is. Okay, an integer is just this set of numbers that you can see on this number line. Okay, now numbers that are less than 0 and these whole numbers that you can see here form what is called the set of integers. So we are going to see how we can add these numbers together. Okay, so I'm going to use a number line. As you can see, this number line we have the negative side here and the positives. Numbers that are less than 0 here form the negative number. This number continues till infinity. All these numbers also continue till infinity. And these numbers that are greater than 0 here are the positives. Okay, now let's learn how to add these numbers. So using the number line. So this is 3. So this 3 is telling me where this 3 comes first. So it's telling me where to start. So this is 3 here, positive 3. This sign that is here is telling me the direction I'm going to move. So when you are moving towards this direction, you are moving negative, and when you are moving towards the direction, you are moving towards the positive. So let's move towards the negative, as we can see here. So we are starting from the 3, from plus 3. So let's move how many steps? 5 steps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer here is -2. So let's come to example 2. So example 2, we are starting from -4. So from the number line you can see this is -4. The direction is positive, moving towards this 7 times. So let's move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer here is +3. So let's come here. This is 5 minus 2. So 5, I'm starting from the +5, as you can see. Now moving the negative direction 2 times. So here 1, 2. Okay, so this answer is 3. Okay, now let's come to the fourth example here. -3. So we are starting from -3 here, moving towards the negative direction 3 times. So here I jump 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is -6. Now this is 2 plus 2. So the first 2 there is positive, and I'm moving towards the positive direction 2 times. So here 1, 2, and this gives me 4. Okay, we can solve this without the use of the number line. And how can we solve this? I have 2 approaches of solving this without the number line. So the first approach is that you could ignore. So the first thing here, using the first approach, ignore the negative sign for now. When you ignore it, now which number is greater than the other? We now ignore the number that is greater than the other among these 3 and 5 here is 5. Okay, so you say 5, the greater number, minus the smaller number. So 5 minus 3 will give me 2. This is 2. So this answer will have the sign of the bigger number. So the bigger number here that I claim is minus. So this is -2. Okay. And also this example, you can see when we ignore the sign here, okay, the greater number here is 7. So 7 minus the smaller number. So 7 minus 4. This will give me 3. And this 3 will have the sign of the bigger number. So you see the bigger number is what? Is 7. So it's having plus. You know, whether I write plus or not, it's still positive. Okay. Now, so also this example, when we ignore the bigger number minus smaller number, so 5 minus 2 is 3. And this 3 will have the sign of the bigger number. So the bigger number is positive. Okay. So also this, but you see, this example, if all of them are having the same sign, you just add the sign 3 plus 3, which will give you 6, and all of them are having a common sign 6. You attach your common sign, which is a negative, right? So you see here, you have 2 plus 2, 4. All of them are bearing the same sign, which is positive. So this is positive. Now, another way of solving this problem is with this particular example. Okay? Now, suppose you are having -3, for example. This is -3. Now, as you combine this -3 with equal number of opposite sign. Okay? Now, the opposite sign is plus. Okay? Now, equal number. So, plus 3. This is going to give you 0. So, when you have a number and you combine it with equal number of the opposite sign, is going to neutralize it. Okay, so with this in mind, you see when we have let's say -3, then plus 4. Okay, now we say -3 will neutralize plus 3 here, leaving how many plus? Leaving 1. Okay, now let's have this another example. Let's say I have 4, then -6. Okay, now with this, you see 4 plus will neutralize -4 here. Will neutralize 4 minus from here, leaving how many minus? Leaving -2. Okay, now with this, you can be able to solve all of these problems. Now we can say +3 will neutralize equal number, right? So +3 will neutralize -3 here, leaving -2. Okay, -4 will neutralize equal number. -4 will neutralize 4 plus here, leaving the remaining 3 plus. Okay, here -2 will neutralize 2 plus here, leaving 3. Okay, and you see if all the numbers are having the same sign, none of the sign will neutralize the other. So you just have to add them. 3 plus 3, then you write the common sign. Also with this one, you see all of them are having the same sign. So no sign will neutralize, or no one will neutralize the other. So this is 4, and that is it. Okay. Please, if you like this video, do well to like and share. So I'm going to drop a few questions for you to do, and just drop the answer only. Thank you, and God bless you.